10 things to do in Bali. 1. See the rice fields. It locate near Ubud area, and also in Tabanan, famous one Jatilui. 2. Visit the temples. There are thousands in Bali, from small to big, in residential areas to secluded one. There are thousands in Bali, from small to big, in residential areas to secluded one. 3. Wake up early. If you stay near Lavina Beach, you can see the dolphins. Don't forget the sunrise too. 4. Go snorkeling and explore the sea. Enjoy surfing. Good wave in the south beaches, like Kuta Beach, Tanah Lot, Canggu and more. 6. Watch Kesik dance. Location in Uluwatu Temple, it performed routine. 7. Taste the Luwak coffee. The world's most expensive coffee that comes from Palm Civets Poops. 8. Watch a cockfight. It's usually performed in a Tabara ritual, and you can hear Chok and Gassel yelling. 9. Take a coconut. Best drink for watching sunset in Tanah Lot. 10. Rent a motorbike. You can freely explore the island and get lost exploring. If you literally get lost, don't worry, the people are nice and friendly. That's it. 10 things you should to do if you're visiting Bali, the island of God. Thanks for watching.